Hello everybody, it's Chris Sheldon here at A&R Supply Company again, coming to you from Albuquerque, New Mexico. Just making another video today highlighting another product that we sell here in our local store in Albuquerque and also on our website at www.arsupplyco.com. And you might be watching this video from our web store on the product page. And the item I want to highlight today is the pressure regulator for a carpet cleaning truck mount unit. This regulator, it probably looks familiar to you because it fits lots of different truck mount units out there. It fits lots of Prochem units, Sapphire Scientific, Hydromaster, older Blue Line units, you name it. This particular pressure regulator is all over the place out there. So if you're not sure if this regulator will fit your machine, please give us a call or email me and I'll be happy to let you know if this is going to fit your unit or not. If it's not going to work on your unit, chances are we've got your regulator in stock, or at worst we could always order it for you. So just give us a call at 505-872-9702 or shoot me an email at chris@arsupplyco.com and I'll be happy to help you out. So a little bit about this regulator, a tale of caution. If you bought this from maybe like a pressure washer supply store and not a carpet cleaning supply distributor, I want to tell you, you need to take the check valve and spring out of the out port on this regulator. And if you look, you'll see that is the out port. It says out. And in this out port, there is a bullet and there is a spring inside. Well, the spring is in here. You want to remove these, so take these out and just throw these in the trash. You don't need them for the carpet cleaning application. And I'm just going to leave this out so I don't forget and then send you a regulator that's not going to work. If you don't take this bullet and spring out, what's going to happen is you're going to install this pressure regulator and you're going to turn your pressure pump on and the pressure is going to spike. It's going to go up to 1,000, 1,500, 2,000 psi, and you definitely don't want that. So wherever you buy this regulator at, before you install it, check it and make sure you've taken that check valve out of there. It's going to save you a lot of headaches. So this pressure regulator, it's rated to 195 degrees max temperature, maximum of 4,500 psi, so it's just fine for truck mount applications. Obviously it's a brass body, plastic handle, blue spring. All of the ports are 3/8 inch female. So again, it's going to work just fine on your truck mount application. So, and I also have another video, I'll post it on this product page, and it's also on my YouTube channel, how to service these pressure regulators, because there is preventative maintenance that you need to do on these regulators. So check that video out, and if you maintain these regulators, they'll last for years and they'll be very reliable for you. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Again, if you have any questions at all, we're always happy to help you. Give us a call at 505-872-9702 or send me an email at chris@arsupplyco.com. And all of my contact information will be down in the description of the YouTube video. Give us a thumbs up on this video if you like it, and leave us some good comments. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Thanks.